It's 12 a.m.
Could Freddy
A full moon
Fazbear
illuminates
storm
the skies.
Normandy?
It's 12 a.m. A full moon illuminates the skies over the exposed white sands of northern France. Normandy's just within range of the Allied air forces, and it's not as heavily defended as its sister ports, a mistake the Germans will regret. It's 1 a.m. The low spring tide pulls back enough to reveal weaknesses in the German fortifications. A naval assault can be easily waged. And it's 1:30. Soldiers sit in their boats, their guns locked and loaded, their helmets strapped. They've traveled thousands of miles for this way. It'll preliminary attack, but in spotlights behind Axis dogs at this time of night. It's 1:30 a.m. And unfortunately for these Axis dogs at this time of night, the animatronics get a bit.
My God!
Good afternoon. I didn't see you there. My name is Winter, resident World War II pizzeria analyst. Yes, that's a real job, Mom. Get off my back. Today, we'll be learning what happened next on that beach. But to do that, we have to break down exactly what happened. We have to break down exactly how what happens next happens next. We need to know, could Freddy Fazbear storm Normandy? Could he do it alone? When will Matt Pat return my calls? And why didn't he come to my birthday party? I told my friends he'd be there. These are all equally important questions. Questions that I know the answer to. And I accidentally burned his house down, but that's irrelevant, not coming with still rude. So let me enlighten you on these answers too. And I accidentally burned his house down, but that's irrelevant, not coming with still rude. So let me enlighten you on these answers. Let's break down the facts. Relevant, not coming with still rude. So let me enlighten you.
Toy Bonnie theory. Toy Bonnie, sporting a red bow tie, is of Irish lineage, with green eyes and buck teeth. He's wearing a red bow tie, which is reasonable, and paired with the ultra blue is reasonable assured, given the green eyes. Let's put it that way. Definitely not already reasonable, but yes. And adding the white is a very reasonable very reasonable animatronic. Very reasonable.